Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to focus better in under a minute. And this will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. I will be going over 4 specific things that you can do to focus better, and if you use these things, you can accomplish them and you can utilize them in well under a minute, definitely under a minute, if you know what they are and you're just ready to use them, and hopefully they will allow you to focus better. So you can devote less than a minute to increasing your focus, and hopefully that increased focus and that better focus will last quite a while, okay? And then you might have to incorporate them again, and then hopefully last quite a while, and so on and so forth. Starting off with number one. Number one is eliminate a single distraction. That's right. Eliminate just a single distraction. Figure out all of the distractions that you have around you, and figure what is the easiest one to eliminate, and eliminate that distraction. That might mean that you might have to go and move to a different location. It might mean that you might have to turn off a sound or something, you know, entertaining wise that's around you. Maybe the TV's on, maybe music is playing, whatever the case is, you might have to turn that off. That might mean that you might have to ask someone to please be quiet for the next 15 minutes while you study, or whatever the case is. But just try to eliminate just a single distraction. Take care of just a single distraction and choose the easiest one, because that's the fastest way to incorporate this. Moving on to number two. Number two is stop your mind from wandering. That's right. It is very normal for our minds to wander when we are trying to focus on something. But if you notice that it starts wandering, stop it. So when your mind has already wandered so far away, then it's harder to bring it back into the focus area. So what you want to do is as soon as you notice your mind wandering, bring it back to the focus area. As soon as you notice it wandering, bring it back to the focus area. Just try to do that. So the moment your mind starts wandering and you notice it, bring it back to the focus area immediately. It'll help you out significantly in terms of focusing better. And it works just like that. The moment you bring your mind back to the focus area and stop it from wandering, it has already worked its magic. Moving on to number three. Number three is pick a tiny focus goal. So you got to pick a very small focus goal. Something super small. It might be like, I want to read this one paragraph without getting distracted. Just read this one paragraph straight, okay? Or I want to understand this one concept right now straight. Very simple. Like without getting distracted. When I say straight, I mean without doing anything else, without thinking about anything else. Or it might be, I want to focus for the next 5 minutes and not do anything else straight. You know, meaning like nothing else, just straight focus. So you're going to set a tiny focus goal. It might be understanding a single concept, or reading a single paragraph, or just working for a single small amount of time. But you're going to do it without getting this, like, just straightforward, straight. No distractions, no wandering, just straight do the focus goal. I should say straight up and straightforward do the focus goal, and nothing else until it's done. That is like your only thing you're going to do. Hit that focus goal, accomplish that focus goal, and nothing else. That is your sole thing that you're going to do, okay? And it'll help, because just make the goals really small. If the goals are big, it's harder to, you know, stick with them. When they're small, you can like literally accomplish the goal in a few minutes, right? So think about it like that. And it can work really quickly, because you can set a tiny focus goal and you can pick a tiny focus goal in like a few seconds. You don't need to be elaborate about it. It can take a few seconds to choose your tiny focus goal. Anyways, moving on to the last one for this video, which is number 4. Number 4 is forget about perfect, try action instead. And that's literally it. Just don't worry about perfect, okay? Just try to take action. So instead of, you know, trying to accomplish this perfection and trying to get, you know, like the big picture all the time, right? You know, always perfect. That can take away from our focus, because we're always thinking about something that is so far-fetched, right? That we can't accomplish quickly. But if you want to focus better, try action. So instead of thinking about perfection, like think about, what can I do right now? And you're focused on that. So don't worry about perfection. Figure out action. What can I do right now? What is the thing I can do literally right now? That's the action. And guess what? You're going to be focused on that thing, because you're going to be able to do it right now. You're going to be focused on that specific thing. It should help your focus out dramatically. And that is basically it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. I've got nothing else to say. You know, you can incorporate these. I should say this before I finish. You can incorporate these quickly, and, you know, you can incorporate them really quickly. All you have to do is just figure out which ones you're going to incorporate, hopefully all of them, and just do them. Most of these are like, they only take a couple seconds, right? So you can incorporate them really, really quickly, and you can have better focus in virtually no time at all. You can have better focus like that, okay? It's very, very simple. And that's basically it. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, but really I've got nothing else to say. So with nothing else to say, we are going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.